Fortiners Group di inasahan ang nasaksihan sa SB19. Fortiners was really overjoyed when they were handpicked by SB19 to perform with them. Pero hindi lang yan dahil mas bumilib at na-inspire sila sa behind the scenes kasama ang grupo. According to them, inakala nilang ma-awkward sila dito pero iba ang nangyari. As per their statement, when we saw each other during the music rehearsals, akala namin it will be awkward. Big no. We were approached with big smiles and brotherly hugs as if we know each other so well na. Sobrang gaan ng feeling. And the group went on how much they are blessed with Coach Stel. At hindi lang pala yan ang na-experience ng grupo dahil according to them, Josh is all smiles at tawa lang din ng tawa. Justin is a joker at ang bait. Pablo showed concern sa amin at sa vocal mix at wini-welcome niya ang mga musical ideas namin, and Ken, we got to tag along with him kasi we were seated together with him during rehearsals and he was eager to know our genre at kwentuhan at tawanan to the max. At eto pa ang mas nagpabilib sa Fortiners sa prayer headed by Jay, who uttered, "Lord, kung meron kaming kayabangan sa loob po namin, ibaba niyo po kami." Fortiners said they felt the spirit of humility in the circle and they all raised their hands and shouted, "Thank you, Lord." They felt very blessed in this journey at nasabing sa mga tagahangan ng SB19, nasa tamang grupo po tayo ng hinahangaan. And in this message by Fortiners ay talagang mafe-feel mo ang pag-apaw ng kasiyahan nila. At gaya ng Fortiners, hindi ka lang talaga bibilib sa galing ng SB19, mapapa-inspire ka pa sa pagkatao nila.